Hi, Randy Rolfe from the Institute for Creative Solutions. I want to talk about additives in our food today. One of the best things you can do for your diet and your health and your longevity is to avoid all the additives. In Europe, there are 400 ingredients that are approved. In this country, there are 10,000 ingredients. A couple of dozen of them are for different forms of sugar, which our body doesn't need, and for seed oils and derivatives of seed oils, and then a whole lot of chemicals that the body wouldn't even recognize ever because they don't even come from food. They are lab created or genetically modified or come from petroleum products. And they're just designed to make the food look prettier or taste more like the real food or addict us and make our brains want more of it. So we don't need any of that. And our body is not helped by it. It's burdened by it. It's an extra stress on all our detoxification organs, and it affects every cell because every cell has blood going by it, which has different everything in it that the cell might need, and a lot of the toxins if we're taking them in through our food. So we need to really be careful not to buy things that have these long ingredient lists. And that's why I call my book a single ingredient diet. Just choose foods that are food as they come from nature, names that your great grandmother would recognize. It's a very simple rule, makes it very easy to just eat foods. And if you do it very seriously for a short time, a couple of weeks or a month or two, your brain and gut will get used to real food. And a lot of problems will just go away. I know when I switched to all natural single ingredient foods 50 years ago, I stopped having menstrual cramps, my skin got better, my hair didn't get dry in the winter, and I recovered more quickly when I went out running or jogging, and my skin would heal a little quicker if I skinned myself somehow. And I didn't have any tummy problems. Even if I went out and ate a fancy dinner at a restaurant or something, nothing bothered me anymore because I wasn't giving such a burden to my body. And so it's very easy to prove to yourself. Just don't eat any of the refined sugars, refined oils, GMO kinds of additives that they're giving us, and refined proteins, refined grains. Just forget all the processing and all the chemical additives, and your body will tell you it's much happier. Thanks.